how to cancel order in Temu. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to cancel order in Temu. First, go to the Temu website and log in to your account. Click on the Orders and Account option at the top of the home page. You will be able to see all your orders on this page. Click on the Message button in the bottom right corner. You can get help from Temu. Go to the Support option at the top menu bar. Click on the Chat with Temu option. Type "I want to cancel my order" in the text bar. It will provide you with all the detailed procedures. You can use these options to cancel your order. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.